Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to withdraw money from Poppo Life with Gcash. So let's start. So the first one is navigate to your wallet or my balance section with the Poppo Life app. Then select the withdrawal option. Number 3, choose your withdrawal method, selecting Gcash from available option. Poppo Life supports Gcash as region-specific payment method in Philippines. Number 4, enter the amount of withdrawable coins balance you wish to cash out. Ensure you meet the minimum withdrawal requirements. Number 5, provide your Gcash details, specifically your Gcash registered mobile number. Number 6, confirm the transaction details and submit the request. Number 7, wait for processing. The funds will be transferred to your Gcash wallet after their processing by Poppo Life. So that's a way to do it, guys. I hope this works for you. As you can see, there are few steps, are only 7 steps for doing this. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumbs up to this video.